This video demonstrates how to use the Overton Index to find policy documents. First, navigate to the Overton Index and optionally sign into your personal Overton account. At the main Overton Index page, select the Policy Documents option and type in search terms related to your question or topic. For example, we'll use the question, what do policies say about hospitals using artificial intelligence with access to patient information in relation to HIPAA compliance? For a basic search, you can simply type in all the relevant terms. It might look something like this. However, it helps a lot to use quotation marks around specific phrases, like this. And it is also possible to use search operators and truncation to create a more comprehensive, reportable search strategy for an evidence synthesis project, which might look something like this. After you run the search, there are a number of filters on the left-hand side of the screen for further refinement of the search. Mousing over a filter name produces a tooltip that describes that filter. You can expand the filter to see the top options of the filter and click See More to see all the options for that filter. For our search, we might go to Source Organization Type and select Legislative Body. And we might also go to Source Country and pick the USA. When you have a relevant set of results, you can find useful features at the gray bar across the top of the results. Save Search lets you save the search and schedule search alerts. You'll only see this option if you're signed in. See Report is a feature that's actually more useful for citation tracking in the other search types. Export lets you download the results into a spreadsheet or a citation management app. This is useful if you need to download all the results for an evidence synthesis project. And last, Explore lets you switch between the different feature sets of Overton. For example, you can find policies that cite the search results. You can find policies that are cited by the search results. You can find scholarly publications cited by the search results. You can find people mentioned or cited by the search results, and explore a topic map based on the search results. Now let's take a closer look at the search results and point out some of the elements you can find there. Here's the document title, of course. You can click there for a more in-depth record. Here is the national flag and the name of the publishing organization. You can mouse over the organization for a description. Over to the left, you'll see the document type. There's a filter for these on the left if you're looking for specific types of policy documents. Here is a short document description. If you click full description, you will see an AI-generated summary. Here are clickable subject tags to further refine your search. And last, excerpts of the policy document where search terms were found. Over on the right, if you're signed in, you can add personal tags. These tags will show up as filters on the left-hand side, so you can rerun the search and jump to the documents that you have tagged. Download PDF allows you to download a PDF of the policy document, and it's important to note that Overton does not host or provide these PDFs. These links go directly to the publishing organization's website where you'll get the PDF from them. And last, if there's a view source link, that takes you to the organization's website. I hope this introduction helps you use the Overton Index. If you have any questions, please explore the rest of this guide or contact your liaison librarian. Thank you for watching.